If you're looking for a large 4-bedroom, 2 full bath ranch home in one of Ann Arbor's best neighborhoods, we have a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to show you today. Hey everyone, I'm Tony Bertoya from DMA Real Estate, and I'm at our newest listing, 1570 Covington Drive in the Vernon Downs neighborhood in the desirable southwest part of Ann Arbor. Let's go check it out. Thanks for watching our tour today. I hope you enjoyed it. This 1,966 square foot home is truly unique. Listed for the first time ever, it's one of the largest homes in the Vernon Downs neighborhood. You do not want to miss this rare opportunity. Gleaming hardwood floors, a whole house backup generator, newer Pella windows, an irrigation system, 2.5-car garage. The features go on and on. 1570 Covington Drive. I'm Tony Bertoya from DMA Real Estate. I'll see you soon.